Hello everyone. In this short video we will see why the structure is disjointed warning comes and how to remove that. When you run analysis, it shows you that there is one warning. As you can see, you go to the output file and you can see what the warning is. The warning says the structure is disjointed. The structure is disjointed. How to find and how to remove that? For that you have to go to utilities, structure options, multiple structure. It shows you that there are two structures. That means the structures are not connected from the center point. How to remove that? You have to select both the beams, go to geometry and intersect the beams. Press OK, press yes, press OK and shift K will show you that the node has been created and the beams are broken. Now you see the structure shows only one structure. That means the structure has been connected. Now play analysis and as you can see there is no warning. This way you can remove the structure is disjointed warning in STAAD Pro Connect edition. Thank you for watching this video.